Did you know the throttle position sensor, TPS, has several key functions, primary functions? 1. Monitors throttle valve position and movement. 2. Sends electrical signals to the engine control module, ECM. 3. Helps ECM calculate fuel injection and ignition timing. Secondary functions: 1. Idle air control, IAC, valve regulation. 2. Fuel pump control. 3. Ignition timing adjustment. 4. Air-fuel mixture optimization. 5. Emissions control. 6. Cruise control system integration. 7. Vehicle speed sensor input. TPS signal types: 1. Voltage signal, 0-5V. 2. Pulse width modulation, PWM, signal 3. Frequency signal. TPS benefits: 1. Improved fuel efficiency. 2. Enhanced engine performance. 3. Reduced emissions. 4. Smoother idle and acceleration. 5. Better cruise control performance. TPS failure symptoms: 1. Poor idle or stalling. 2. Difficulty starting. 3. Erratic throttle response. 4. Reduced power or performance. 5. Faulty fuel injection. TPS replacement: consult a mechanic or repair manual for 1. TPS replacement procedures. 2. Throttle body or carburetor cleaning. 3. Fuel system inspection and adjustment. Remember, a malfunctioning TPS can lead to decreased performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential engine